How to change Facebook Marketplace location. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on Marketplace at the top, which is the fourth option. In there, you will find all these options. At the top right, you will find location. Click on it. Right now, it's France. Now, click on Edit at the bottom right, and then select the area you want. After you have selected, you can also custom radius in this way and click on Apply at the bottom, and then your location of Facebook Marketplace will be changed. As you can see, this is how to change Facebook Marketplace location. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.